మనిషి ఉంది అక్కడ
Hello, good evening. Welcome to Brand Mandir live show. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful Kuppadams andi. Let's start with the mannequins. Aipaye kada mannequins. And ee saree which I'm wearing is very pretty pink saree, dark pink. With parrot green combination. All over body. Lines design. ఇలా lines blocks వచ్చాయి, rectangular blocks. And downside we got silver kaddi border with huge big temples with multi colors and zari and lovely kaddi border, cross kaddi. And let's see the pallu. Pallu is contrast with very pretty zigzag brocade. Blouse contrast plain వస్తుందండి, parrot green. And ఈ సారీ pricing and details కోసం just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Let's see another saree. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. అలాగే YouTube లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ Brand Mandir ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. Let's see another saree. Beautiful grey, all over drop shape booties. It's a Siko, Kuppadam Siko. Lovely Baidhani style border, cross kaddi with peacocks, geometric style florals along with the temples. Pallu contrast peach color, bright peach with cross kaddi and temple design border. Blouse contrast plain with border. And ee saree pricing and details 6,300. Take a screenshot along with the code P306. Send us on 733-733-7000. Beautiful Venkatagiri Kuppadam sequin silk sarees. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Another saree. It's a silk puttu saree which is in orangish peach. All over leaf design with gold and silver booties. అంటే డాలర్ బూటీస్ తో వచ్చిందండి ఆ లీవ్ బూటీ అనేది. And this is the border, cross kaddi with yalis and peacocks. Contrast border, red color pallu with triangular brocade along with the horse and peacock border. Blouse, contrast red color plain with border. Very lovely. And ee saree pricing and details 12,450. Take a screenshot along with the code P295. Send us on 733 733 7000. Too pretty. Let's see another saree. Very lovely blue tissue saree. Complete tissue seco, blue color, all over rangoli and floral booties with gold and silver zari, cross kaddi border with peacocks and pink edge contrast. Pallu contrast yellow color with florals along with the floral vines border. And blouse, contrast tissue blouse with border. And a beautiful saree, pricing and details 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P304. Send us on 733 733 7000. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Yeah. One more beautiful Kuppadam silk saree, all over red and pink combination, all over zari lines, along with the floral booties, small and medium size. Border, cross kaddi with very pretty deers in rounds. Florals, and this is the pallu, cross kaddi, cross lines with diamond design, florals along with the horse border. Blouse, contrast plain with border, pink color, very bright pink. And a beautiful saree, pricing and details 12,900. Take a screenshot along with the code P256. Send us on 733 733 7000. You can visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Let's see another saree. Lovely green and yellow, mustard yellow combination, very pretty. All over saree checks with intricate florals, blocks. Border is contrast with cross kaddi with floral vines. Pallu, cross lines with floral booties along with the horse and elephant border. Let's see the blouse. Contrast plain blouse with zari lines and border. Very pretty combination. And ee saree pricing and details 11,850. It's a pattu. P300 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash on delivery option. Another saree, peach tissue color, tissue saree, peach color, all over gold and zari, gold and silver zari, floral booties, two types of floral booties vachai all over body, and we got a lovely border, cross cutty, peacocks, florals, blue and green lines vachai, thread lines. This is the pallu, contrast purple color with cross floral vines and floral booties in it. Blouse, contrast tissue blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details, 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P348. Send us on 733-733-7000. It's a tissue, beautiful tissue seco, very pretty. Another saree. One more gorgeous tissue saree only, which is in green color, pista green, all over floral booties. Downside we got very pretty peacocks and meenakari florals. Border chesi contrast with diamond brocade, florals, peacocks with pink and blue lines. Just took half-inch patti laga vachindi. And beautiful pallu with cross leaves and floral booties. Contrast pallu and contrast tissue blouse with border. Very lovely combination. Too good. And you can team up like this beautiful blouses. This beautiful blouse is from our brand, Offer Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Let's see another saree. And ee saree pricing and details, let me give you. 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P258. Send us on 733-733-7000. Let's see this saree overall look once. Another saree, beautiful purple color, magenta and purple, all over silver floral booties, border, triangular lines and diamond booties, cross cutty, and this is the pallu, rich cutty lines with pastel and leaf border. Blouse, contrast plain with border. Just light and dark shades and very light difference. And ee saree pricing and details, 14,175. Take a screenshot along with the code P292. Send us on 733-733-7000. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదా పిస్తా గ్రీన్ కలర్ సారీ, టిష్యూ సారీ. లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ అ క్విక్ లుక్. Let's see another saree. It's a Seco, Kupiram Seco. Very beautiful beige and pink combination. All over zari lines, silver zari lines with oval shaped floral booties. with meenakari, highlighted with meenakari. And this is the big border, contrast pink color with meenakari and zari, peacocks overlapping, cross kaddi, temples, floral vines. Pallu, contrast with beautiful florals, peacocks and trees, both zari and meenakari work, very pretty. And blouse, contrast pink color, plain with border. And ee saree pricing and details, 6,750. Take a screenshot along with the code P257. Send us on 733 733 7000. And Kuppadevanna Venkatagiri anne okate andi, okate fabric. One more lovely saree. It's a silk fabric. Indulo manaki two different varieties of untai, Seco and silk. And this is the beautiful silk saree. Lovely yellow with orange combination. Lovely peacocks, dual peacocks blocks వచ్చాయి. చెక్స్ కూడా చాలా ప్రిటీగా వచ్చినాయి రౌండ్ బుట్టాస్ తో. And this is the border, contrast with floral jal and diamond brocade. Very pretty border. And pallu, we got plain and zari borders alternate with florals and paisleys. Beautiful pallu and contrast blouse with zari lines and border. Stripes laga vachai, very pretty stripes. And ee saree pricing and details, 13,050. Take a screenshot along with the code P296. Send us on 733 733 7000. P296 is the code. Very lovely color combination, yellow. One more stunning combination, beautiful black and grey. One more lovely combination. It is all over silver floral booties, and the border is kaddi, cross kaddi with lovely peacocks and florals. And we got yalis also here. It's a horse only. It's not yalis, it's a horse. And this is the pallu, geometric brocade with peacock border, peacock and floral border. Blouse, contrast grey color with border. And ee saree pricing and details, 14,175. Take a screenshot along with the code P264. Send us on 733 733 7000. చాలా లవ్లీగా ఉంటుందండి, చాలా హుందాగా ఉంటుంది కలర్ కాంబినేషన్, వెరీ లవ్లీ. అండ్ ఇవి రేర్గా వస్తాయి ఈ కాంబినేషన్ అనేది, సో డోంట్ మిస్ ఇట్. అనదర్ సారీ, ఇట్స్ అ గ్రీన్ అండ్ పర్పుల్ ఇలా మిక్స్డ్ కల్నేత సారీ, జ్యువెల్ టోన్, వెరీ ప్రెటీ. పింక్ అండ్ గ్రీన్ ఎల్లో షేడ్స్ ఇలా వస్తున్నాయి. All over zari lines, silver zari lines and silver floral booties, and beautiful cross kaddi border with meenakari florals, contrast purple border. And pallu, round booties and lines with elephant border. And the blouse is contrast plain with border. And beautiful saree pricing and details, 13,050. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this saree overall look once. Lovely pink and dark pink. Very pretty dual tone pink and the light orange and pink shades వస్తున్నాయి. silver floral booties all over body, and beautiful contrast border, elephants and rounds, florals, very pretty border contrast, and contrast pallu with triangular brocade along with the peacock border, very beautiful. And the blouse is contrast plain with border. And this saree pricing and details 10,650. Take a screenshot along with the code P252. Send us on 733 733 7000. So lovely. Indaka nenu chuinchanu kada jewel toned saree. Let's have a quick look. Now back to our collection. To follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi. Keep on supporting us, keep loving us, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. Let's see another saree. Wow, lovely grey and blue combination, very lovely andi. Saree kuda chala pretty ga undi. It's a Kuppidam Seco, all over gold and silver blocks design vachindi. It's a tissue, complete tissue saree, and border is contrast blue color with diamond brocade, floral vines, florals in checks, and blue color edges along with the temples. Chala pretty ga undi. And this is the pallu, curvy florals blocks, contrast pallu and contrast blouse, blue tissue blouse with border. And a beautiful saree, pricing and details 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P317. Send us on 733 733 7000. Too good, very lovely. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Pink and red, all over gold and copper zari checks, not gold. All over floral booties in it, and lovely contrast border with diamond brocade, zigzag design, and round booties. And this is the pallu, cross lines with leaf booties. Blouse, contrast plain with border. And the beautiful saree, pricing and details 14,175. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wow, very pretty. Navy blue. And beautiful. This is ikat border we got. Ikat design. Complete, very pretty diamonds. Complete ikat pattern and fusion sarees. And this is the border. We got very pretty green color border, sea green lines, just zari lines with peacocks. Very beautiful. And this is the pallu. Okay, different shapes vachayandi, geometrical shapes laga, along with the lines, leaf lines laga vachai, gold and silver zari to. Very pretty, very beautiful. ఇక్కడ డిజైన్ రావడం వల్ల చాలా ప్రిటీగా కనపడుతుంది. and we got gorgeous blouse contrast with border. Very pretty. Chala lightweight kuda undandi saree, and the saree price and details 8,925. Take a screenshot along with the code P336. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see this ee saree overall look okkari chusedam, so that you will get an idea how the saree will be. Let's see. Another saree, lovely lemon yellow with grey combination, and in the middle lemon yellow తో పాటు మనకు light grey shade అనేది కనపడుతుంది. Kalnita saree dual toned, all over floral booties with silver saree, and lovely border with zigzag design and floral vines. Downside we got very pretty peacocks here, very cute peacocks, and this is the pallu. Lines, zigzag lines and florals. Blouse is contrast, it's a silk contrast plain with border, and idi pattu saree, pure silk, and the saree price 10,650. Take a screenshot along with the code P254. Send us on 733 733 7000, and we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. Let's see another saree, and before that indaka nenu చూయించాను కదా ఒక saree, ఆ saree చూసేద్దాం. navy blue and blue color, sea green. It's a fusion saree, Kupuram Siko with a touch of ikat design, ikat pattern. Thank you. Now back to our collection. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandar.com, for more collections and for customized blouses like this beautiful blouses. Contact our brand Afro Rupamani and the branch from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique design. You can come down to our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. Let's see another saree. Lovely pink Siko, tissue Siko saree, gold and silver floral booties, and beautiful cross cutty and peacock floral border, yellow color. Lovely pallu, contrast yellow color with cross leaves and floral booties. Blouse, contrast tissue blouse, yellow color with border. And ee saree pricing and details 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P346. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, green color tissue saree, Kupuram Siko, very pretty floral booties, two types of floral booties with gold and silver saree, and border is contrast blue color with florals and peacocks, cross cutty and diamond brocade with the edge contrast green color, and lovely pallu contrast purple color, actually blue andi ala purple la kanpadutundi manaki, cross leaf design with floral booties, and lovely contrast tissue blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P316. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very lovely. Another saree, very beautiful red color, red and yellow tissue saree, Kupuram Siko, all over floral booties and lovely Downside we got peacocks, Meenakari florals, and border is contrast yellow color with floral lines, peacocks, diamond brocade with the edge contrast, and lovely pallu with cross leaves curvy design and leaf booties along with the floral and peacock border. Blouse contrast tissue blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details. P261. Take a screenshot along with the code 8325 is the price. Code వచ్చేసి P261. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lime green and yellow combination with floral booties with gold and silver zari. Border contrast yellow color with peacock and florals, cross cutty and diamond brocade with pink edge contrast. Pallu cross leaves design with peacock floral booties along with the floral booties, contrast pallu and contrast tissue blouse. It's a tissue Kupadam Seco. Very lovely. And ee saree pricing and details. 8325. Take a screenshot along with the code P284. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another saree. Beautiful red and yellow Kupadam Seco, all over zari checks with floral booties, oval shaped floral booties, and lovely contrast border. Very traditional color combination, red and yellow, lovely combination. Peacocks, blocks design and beautiful lotus design, very pretty weave. And the pallu is contrast with cross diamonds, cross lines with florals. Blouse contrast plain with border. Very lovely color combination andi. And ilanti color combinations lehengas ki kuda chaala pretty ga untayi. And ee saree pricing and details 6150. Take a screenshot along with the code P259. Send us on 733 733 7000. One more saree. Very beautiful yellow color, very lovely. Zari lines with floral booties. And border, kaddi with munias, cross kaddi with munias, orange color border. Pallu, complete cross lines with dotted booties along with the lovely elephants and peacocks in oval shape. And blouse vachesi contrast orange color plain with border. And ee saree pricing, it's a pure silk. And ee saree pricing and details 14,175. Take a screenshot along with the code P294. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Pink Kupadam Seco saree with a touch of ikat design, all over diamond design. Grey color border, we got zari lines and peacocks, madhyalo ikat design. Pallu, different shapes of geometric patterns. Grey color pallu and beautiful grey color blouse with border. Very lovely. And ee saree pricing and details 14,175. 8,925. Take a screenshot along with the code P330. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari, blue color, blue and beige combination, all over drop shape booties. Border cross kadi with peacocks with Paithani style along with the temples, and this is the pallu, cross kadi with temple border, contrast pallu, contrast plain blouse with border. And these sari pricing and details 6,300. Take a screenshot along with the code P271. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari, peach and blue tissue sari, Kupram tissue, all over floral booties with silver zari, and lovely border, golden border with floral vines, florals with edge contrast. Pallu contrast with cross lines and floral vines. Blouse contrast tissue blouse with border. And e-sari pricing and details 8,925. Take a screenshot along with the code P341. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari, bottle green and pink, diamonds and round booties with gold and silver zari, lovely contrast border with diamond brocade, florals, elephants, contrast pallu with elephants and florals in checks. Blouse plain contrast with border. And these sari pricing and details 6,150. Take a screenshot along with the code P339. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari, maroon and pink, checks with floral booties, lovely border, triangular brocade with floral vines and diamond design. Pallu, diamond brocade and kadi lines along with the plain alternate ochindi. Blouse contrast with zari lines and border. And he sari pricing and details 14,775. Take a screenshot along with the code P253. Send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash on delivery option. And you can come down to our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Padma Temple. And one more store is road number 10 Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. And ee sari vachesi peach color, peach and navy blue, zari lines with triangular, cross triangular design, florals here and big temples here. And border vachesi cross kadi with florals in blocks. Pallu contrast with cross kadi and elephant design, small and bigger elephants border, so pretty. Blouse contrast Siko blouse with border. And ee sari pricing and details 8,100. Take a screenshot along with the code P314. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari. Royal blue and sea blue, copper sulphide blue. Very pretty floral booties in silver zari. Border. Complete geometric pattern and triangular zigzag design, greater than and lesser than symbols. Very pretty. Contrast border and contrast pallu. Complete geometric spherical diamonds and triangles. Very pretty pallu. Idantha geometric pattern lo undi manaki. And blouse contrast plain with border. And ee saree pricing and details. Manaki paina kuda different ga ila geometric pattern e vachindi. And ee saree price 18,900. Take a screenshot along with the code P265. Send us on 733 733 7000. It's a pattu. Lovely red pure silk. All over floral booties. Borderless sari. Lovely yellow color pallu. Mustard. Cross lines with leaf booties. Along with the temples. Blouse contrast plain. You can customize this blouse. Plain blouse vachindi kabatti, so manchi maggam work cheyinchukochandi. For customized blouses, contact our brand Offer Rupamani, another brand from Brand Bandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. And these saree pricing and details 10,575. P291 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, purple and pink, cross lines with florals. Anta florals kuda lines shape laga vachindandi. Ala cut work laga vachindi. And this is the beautiful Paithani style border, kaddi with peacocks, circles, geometric florals. Very lovely. And pallu kuda zigzag design vachi, cross design with paisleys vachindi. Contrast pallu, zigzag design with paisleys. Very pretty. And blouse is contrast plain with border. Ida silk saree. And ee saree pricing and details 13,650. Take a screenshot along with the code P270. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. That's a silver tissue saree. Complete peacock and round booties vachai. Yali border, cross kaddi and peacocks. And beautiful triangular brocade pallu. Self blouse, tissue blouse with buttas and border. So you can go for contrast, any contrast blouse, as it's a self single color. So ee saree pricing and details 14,175. Take a screenshot along with the code P263. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, purple color with mustard yellow, all over floral booties and lovely elephants in rounds, florals, contrast border, triangular brocade pallu, self color, blouse, contrast plain with border. It's a silk. And these saree pricing and details 10,650. Take a screenshot along with the code P337. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another sari. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Lovely peach and pink combination zari lines with floral booties along with the oval shaped round booties, kaddi border with wavy design and leaf booties, contrast with temples, contrast pallu, stripes vachai, floral vines and zigzag design stripes with beautiful booties, floral booties, bunch of florals, which is very pretty. And blouse vachesi contrast plain with border. And ee saree pricing and details 14,175. Take a screenshot along with the code P297. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Blue color tissue with blocks and leaf design with pink combination, blue with pink, peacocks, dotted booties, very pretty. And this is the pallu, contrast, florals, contrast tissue blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details, very lovely shade, 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P338. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Wine color with mustard combination. Zigzag design checks with floral booties, triangular brocade, floral vines, contrast border, pallu, diamond brocade, lines and diamond brocade, blouse, contrast with zari lines and border. And ee saree pricing and details 14,775. P250 is the code. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, yellow and purple, beautiful diamond design, lovely border, cross kaddi and diamonds, pallu, geometric blocks in design, blouse contrast plain with border. And these saree pricing and details 6,300. Take a screenshot along with the code P308. Send us on 733 733 7000. We ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Another saree, very lovely blue tissue saree, complete floral jal with parrots and beautiful grapes, bunch of grapes, border, diamond brocade, cross kaddi with peacocks and florals. This is the pallu, cross design with drop shape booties, contrast tissue blouse with border. And ee saree pricing and details 8,325. Take a screenshot along with the code P312. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree, lovely bright neon pink and lime yellow, bright yellow, all over dollar booties, contrast border with florals and peacocks with lotus border, Contrast pallu with cross diamonds and leaf design. Blouse contrast with border. And this saree pricing and details. 6,150. P345 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 7000. Another saree. Wow, very pretty black. నేను వేసుకున్న సారీలోనే దిస్ కలర్ అండి, అనదర్ కలర్. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బుటీస్, సిల్వర్ అండ్ మీనాకారి triangular booties, huge temples with multicolor and border kaddi with peacocks and lovely pallu zigzag design. Blouse contrast plain with border. And this saree price 5,025. Take a screenshot along with the code P289. Send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. Bright yellow and pink combination, very pretty checks with round booties, contrast border with peacocks and florals, lotus border, pallu cross design with leaf booties, contrast pallu and contrast plain blouse with border. And this saree pricing and details 6,150. Take a screenshot along with the code P343. Send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah. Let's see this saree in overall look andi. Blue color, royal blue with red. Curvy brocade, wavy design, complete saree, and the very big border with geometric pattern, diamonds and triangles. Contrast pallu with rich cross kaddi, and blouse contrast plain with border. And this saree pricing and details 9,000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Yeah, let's see this yellow saree overall look once. See another saree, pink saree, beautiful silk all over, checks design. We got intricate floral blocks and floral booties, lovely kaddi border, pallu diamond brocade. And the saree pricing and details 13,650. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ వచ్చిందండి, ఆలివ్ గ్రీన్, వెరీ ప్రెటీ విత్ బుటాస్ అండ్ బార్డర్, చాలా లవ్లీగా ఉంది. లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ సారీ. It's a grey and yellow. It's a mixed combination. The grey and yellow Kalnita saree. Beautiful checks with intricate florals and deers along with the floral booties. And border is contrast with cross kaddi and floral vines along with the temples. Contrast pallu, complete florals. Blouse is contrast plain with border. And this saree pricing and details 15,375. Take a screenshot along with the code P260. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree. Royal blue and bright yellow, lemon yellow. All over saree checks with oval shaped booties and border, florals, peacocks and lotus. Very pretty contrast border and contrast pallu with cross diamonds and leaf design. Blouse contrast plain with border. And this saree pricing and details 6,150. Take a screenshot along with the code P344. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's move to the mannequin sarees and their prices. Lovely peach and pink combination. Kuppadam silk. Very pretty zari lines and floral booties. Lovely kaddi border contrast with peacocks. Diamond brocade pallu and contrast blouse. And the saree pricing and details 13,050. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree which is in blue color, blue and teal blue. Very pretty floral jal all over body. Lovely diamonds and blocks and peacocks and blocks. Border. Very pretty grey color blouse and lovely pallu. Stripes, kaddi stripes వచ్చాయి. And ఈ saree pricing and details 16,575. Take a screenshot along with the code P262. Send us on 733 733 7000. Another saree which is in mustard and orange combination. Very lovely cross kaddi border with diamond pattern. All over anta manaki ila checks ostayandi blocks laga. Very beautiful. And ee saree pricing and details 15,375. Take a screenshot along with the code P255. Send us on 733 733 7000. And this gorgeous blouse is from our brand. Offer Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing or customization, contact us on 733 733 7000. Our designing team will suggest you with the best designs. Ippudi varaku nenu chuinchina sarees, just have a quick look once. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Let's see another table. We have some more sarees here. చూసారు కదండి వాళ్ళ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వెంకటగిరి కుప్పడం సీకోస్ అండ్ సిల్క్ సారీస్. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733 733 7000 నెంబర్కి. అండ్ దిస్ లైవ్ వీడియో విల్ బి సేవ్డ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఐజీటీవీ, ఫేస్బుక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూట్యూబ్. సో విదిన్ 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఈ సారీస్ వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్కి యూ కెన్ పర్చేస్. and we ship globally. Within Hyderabad we are providing cash and delivery option. And ivala 9 p.m. live miss avukunda watch cheyandi. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all.